Welcome to the First Year Information video series. Academic Calendar Overview. The undergraduate academic calendar is a comprehensive document that covers all the university's rules and regulations, degree and program requirements, and course descriptions for all undergraduate programs. It is available on the university website in PDF format. You can use it as a catalog to browse through courses and explore different departments. Or you can use it as a reference tool to check important dates, degree and major requirements, appeal procedures, and other important information. The calendar is subdivided into a number of sections, including the following: Important Notes, which includes new information for the upcoming academic year; Dates for the academic year, which includes important academic dates and deadlines; Glossary of Terms, which outlines the common terminology you will need to know as a student; and General Information, which outlines information about the university, including degrees offered, mission statement, and guiding principles. Admission procedures and policies, which includes information on admission categories, requirements, and transfer and forfeit of credit information. Regulations and policies, which outlines the general rules and regulations of the university, including those related to the academic performance standards, grading policies, and the appeals process. And degree and major requirements, which outlines the general degree requirements, major and minor regulations, requirements for each degree, as well as requirements for second bachelor's degrees. Areas of study, which lists all academic departments with an overview of what each area of study is about and its degree requirements. Course descriptions, which includes a listing of all available courses with descriptions, requisite course information and restrictions, and other programs, which is a listing of other programs that are available, including Professional Applied and Continuing Education, or PACE, English Language Programs, the Collegiate, Menno-Simons College, other centers and institutes, and the Brandon University Psychiatric Nursing Program. If you still have questions or would like an academic advisor to review your program, you can book a 30-minute appointment or come for a 10-minute drop-in session in person or online with an advisor, Monday through Friday. You can also send us questions by email.